It's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, this is going to be a really quick video. This is a Walmart haul. So I grabbed all of this stuff and I'm going to quickly kind of go through it for you guys and just show you everything that I have. So I have this hair color, this temporary hair color spray, and I got it in purple, red, blue, white, pink, and orange. Okay, so you guys are going to be seeing this stuff really soon. Okay, then I got some of these makeup crayons. I think I have used these before on my channel last year, so I got some more of these, and I got some of that cream makeup that I used in my pumpkin video. So I got black, white, green, and red. Also grabbed some liquid latex. I got some cute little decorations. And I got some little vampire teeth. The last vampire look that I did not have any teeth. So this is a 12-pack of teeth. So the next vampire look is going to be bomb, okay? So I thought this video was going to end with my Walmart haul, but no. We went to the Dollar Tree. So let me show y'all what I got from old Dollar Tree. Okay, so let's go through it all, okay? So we got some decorations, okay? Got a lot of cute little headbands. This one has like pearls on it. These sets came with a headband and some face jewels. So y'all gonna be seeing these in a video, of course. I got this headband. Last time I did my unicorn look, I did not have one of these. So I said no more. Because we got to go back to the unicorn. We just got to. I got this double-sided tape. I think we want to use this for like my nail stuff or something. I got these little clamps. Might use these for my nail stuff or to put up some of these decorations or something. So I got these here with the little skulls on it. All, of course, in preparation for my sugar skull look. Also got one with the little pumpkins on it. These would have been cute for my jack-o'-lantern look. While I was there, you know, since they got the Christmas stuff out already, got some stuff for my Christmas look, you know, decorate the background and stuff. Found this cute little owl. If you know me, you know I don't really like owls, but since I've been a part of Bella Hoot, I just kind of fell in love with them. And I got this headband with these jewels, and this headband is going to be the base for my sugar skull headband. So I'm going to add some extra flowers to it, make it all pretty and all of that. And this is a phone charger cable. You know, when you at the Dollar Tree, you just find little stuff to buy. So that's that. So I'm super excited. Let's start decorating and make this headband. Okay, so let me brighten this ring light. So I have my little skull man here. I'm trying to figure out how I want them to be up here. So clearly I thought Walmart was going to be my only stop, but I did go to the Dollar Tree and get some more stuff. So I put the Walmart and the Dollar Tree stuff in the same video. So I went through and pinned up my little skeleton men. I used some sewing pins to pin it through my backdrop. That's normally how I decorate it. And I used pins to link up the little black stuff with the little skeleton faces on it and all that to decorate that. I did sit down in my chair to kind of see the view of how it will look when everything, you know, while I was filming and all of that. Unfortunately, I forgot about the decoration that I got from Walmart, so I have to add that to my display. So I hope you guys enjoyed this extra quick Walmart haul, and I can't wait to use this stuff. Are y'all excited? I'm excited. Okay, so stay tuned. We have some October inspired looks coming ahead using these products, so make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post a video. Remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And guess what, y'all? It's a wrap. See y'all in the next video.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion at most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you endorse. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.